Hello guys, today I will teach you how to add a pop-up form in Elementor. First, you need to go to add new, select pop-up, you can choose the ready-made templates if you want. Lots of ready-made templates here. Or you can create your own. For the newsletter, you can only need a name and first name. You can set the first name as required, then email address is already required. You can add padding. If you want to in that in the trigger options, you can select one page load. A lot of options here. For now, I will teach you how to open the pop-up on page load. 5 seconds. Okay, the pop-up is now showing in 5 seconds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.